Welcome back, friend. Today we discuss about the food, nutrition, and health. This is a chapter from the CNCC program. CNCC program, this meaning of CNCC or the long form of CNCC is a certification in nutrition in child care. Okay, so this is the long form of this CNCC. From that course, this is the first chapter, nutrition and child care. Okay, so and I am doing the MSc nutrition. Okay, so I am along with MSc nutrition, I am done doing the this course CNCC. So we upload one by one the chapter. Okay, from first chapter from the nutrition, then CNCC, then some chapter from the MSc nutrition. Okay, so I give you your in description or in the you see the title of the CN from the CNCC program, you get the okay bracket in that. Now the food and nutrition in this topic, what we discuss here, number one is the food and its function. Okay, so food and its function. So first of all, we wanted to know what is mean by the food, as our topic name is food, nutrition and health. So food means what, nutrition means what, health means what, all three, these three things we want to what yes, we want to know. First is the food and its function. So food is what, anything which nourishes the body, that is called a food. Okay, then food is a solid, semi solid and liquid. Three state of food, or three forms we get in solid or liquid or the what, semi solid. Then food is what, anything which nourishes the body, means what, anything whatever we eat, if that gives us a nutrient. Okay, so that is called, gives us energy, gives us nutrition, that is called a food. Okay, then this food contain a nutrient and non-nutrient. Now what is meant by nutrient and non-nutrient? Nutrient means what, carbohydrate, protein, that we discuss. Carbohydrate, here the protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, water, all these are what, nutrient. Okay, then for example non-nutrient. So food contain nutrient and non-nutrient. Non-nutrients, in non-nutrient what come, the coloring and flavoring substance, that comes in what, non-nutrient. So food contain both nutrient and some non-nutritious material. Then the function of food. So before going to start a function of food, here the nutrients is 40, what how many nutrients is present in food. So 40 nutrients are essential nutrients in the present in food, and all these 40 nutrients are what, mainly divided into five nutrient. One is a protein, then fat, then carbohydrate, minerals, and yes, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals. So all these protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals, these are the five essential five major nutrient. Okay, then the function of food. So the function of food, there are mainly three function of food. Number one, a physiological function, or the physiological role, then the social function, and then the psychological function. So one by one we discuss in depth, or we can say the in we explain all these things. Number one is a energy giving, then the protection. In physiological role, what physiology means, what study of function of the body, study of function and mechanism of the body is called physiology. So here the food is what, gives us energy, gives us protection, regulation and the body building. Okay, how that is we discuss in the this section. Okay, so the psychological function means food gives us energy, mainly the two nutrient, that is a carbohydrate and fat. These two nutrient gives a body a maximum energy, that is the body fuel, that is called a body fuel. Carbohydrate and fat is our body fuel. Okay, then the energy releases from this substance, they break down by the metabolism, is catabolism, and the energy is releases, and that means that gives us energy to our body. Then the help in a food is what is psychological. Next function of food is the growth and repair, cell division and dead cell replace, means what, the by the cell division, the dead cell, whatever the dead cell, for example RBC's lifespan is 120 days. After the 120 days the RBCs die and new RBCs forms. So for that what require? Protein require, carbohydrate require, vitamins require. So that means food is what function of food is what? That help or that is required for the cell division, require. If not, then cell is not divide. As you know that for the cell division, if cell wanted to divide, they wanted to what? Double their cellular content, so they can what? Divide. So for the cell division, requirement of cell division, food is required. Okay. Then the protection, immunity, prevent the function. Means what? Protection means what? Antibodies, for the making of antibodies, for the preparation of antibodies, what require? What? Protein is required. Protein comes from what? Our food. Okay. Then the good diet, rapid recovery. Means what? If the patient if someone is ill, means someone is deceased or patient, so if we given them a what? Good diet, then what? That recovery rate is increased, and that is scientifically proved. That is recover, the patient is recover rapidly if you give them a good diet. For example, if the person is sick and if you are giving them a junk food, or they want to what? Eat the junk food, what happen? They become more and more sick. It's simple the way. Then this is the first chapter. So how this is affected, how we can give the diet plan, all these things we discuss, because this is my first video in the lecture. Okay, so if there's something as up and down, then try to handle it. Okay, then the regulatory function is what? Nutrient control the body process. Regulatory function what? Nutrient control the body process. Some nutrient, for example vitamins, minerals and protein. So remember, the vitamins, minerals and protein, these three nutrient are the regulator of the body. They control the some body process or help in body regulation. Okay, and what is body fluid? Carbohydrate and fat. Then the social function of the food. What is social function? Sharing of food. If we are sharing our food, suppose in a school, in a lunch break of school, someone a friend share us a food, or even if a college or whatever, if you are sharing a food in office or anything, if you are sharing the food, means what? And if we are accepting, someone is sharing their food, and if you are accepting, then what? We are accepting, they're not only accepting the food, we accepting the, we use them a respect, we accept their friendship. That is a social function. Then even in a festival in our India, the number of festivals as you know, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, number of the festivals in India. So at number of, in this festival, different kind of foods are made. In Diwali, the laddus and chaklis and all this is made. Okay, so in a different festival, the foods have the special what? Importance. Then the specific meaning in the religions content. In religion, in Hindus, different kind of foods. In the in a Bengali or in a Buddha, different kind of foods. So depending on religions, the different kind of food are made, and they have specific meaning to that. Then the in a temples, if we go to the temple, we what? The fruits, the sweet and the coconut water, coconut offer, we offer to the god, we give them to the god, you know, that with the god. Okay, then next is the this is the social function. Then the third function is the psychological function. So in a psychological function, what? Emotional need, love, security and attention. Food satisfy the need. So food satisfy the our emotional need. Every human have the emotional need, and that emotional need is what? The love, security and attention. Everyone wants love, someone can love us, some have security and some attention, that every human want, and these can satisfy by the food. How? Now how this is related to the food that we discuss. So for example, mother, if when the mother make a favorite our favorite dish for us, then what? The mother shows her love for us, shows her love by the making the favorite our favorite dish. Then the sharing of food is important in a social life, as already we tell. Then the food rewarded, for example, mother wishes a child for pass in the exam, she buy what? Sweet. So here the food have again importance, different importance, have the importance become. So this shows us that you someone can get a promotion. We can take another example. Someone get a promotion, then their wife or their mother or their or whatever the relatives give them a what sweet that you become promoted. Okay, so and or they sharing the sweet, then what if they are accepting, then they also become happy. So they shows their love by accepting the food or by giving the sweet. Okay, and that's love is nothing, and they means what. And now if they are accepting their food means what is related to their security also. Means the relatives accept their food means what, they wanted to leave them a for long time. Means they get a security, if someone can happen they can come to them, means security. Okay, and attention, they give them attention. And attention, this satisfied, if give them a food, then they give us attention, then ask you why you are giving me a sweet, then you say that I am become pass, or I am become what, I get a promotion. So this is related to the psychological function. Okay, so now we all these three function we discuss. Now in short, this is we another topic we discuss. Okay, so next our topic is the meaning of nutrition, that we discuss in next video. Okay, so now shortly we revise what we discussed. So we started the food nutrition and health chapter. Okay, in that first we discussed the food and its function. So food is what, anything which nourishes the body. Food contain nutrient and non-nutrient. In non-nutrient what come, coloring substance, coloring and flavoring substance. Then the food contain nutrient, mainly the five major nutrient: protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals. Okay, then mineral. Then the three function of food mainly. First is the physiological function, then the social function and psychological function. First is the physiological function. In physiological function, the food is required for the functioning of the body, what gives us energy, for the repairment of, for the cell division, for the protection of the body and for the regulation of the body. Then the social function. In the social function what we discuss, sharing of food. By sharing the food means we accept their friendship, we respect them, and in the different religions we make the different kind of food. In temples we offer the god fruit, sweet. Okay, that. Then the psychological function. In the psychological function what, emotional need, means foods by yes, emotional need. Food satisfy our emotional need. If for just example, if you remember example, you can write it down, the physiological function. Physiological function means what, mother make a favorite dish for a child to because it passed in exam. So that is physiological function, you can say. Love, security and attention, emotional need is satisfied. Okay, so that is all related to the food. Miss, you also be maybe you become surprised that how the food have this kind of function is. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like, then what, hit the like button, click on the subscribe. I think I not have to tell. If you really like this video, you can do that, or you can, as you wish.